Ayo, welcome to Storycraft Studio. Today it's another announcement video because so between COVID fatigue, which a lot of us have, and stress from getting all these videos done and posting every week, my health has suffered, so I need to step back. And since I can't step back from COVID, I need to do less doll videos. Less YouTube videos. I will not be doing less doll videos because I only do once a month, and I think that's pretty good. This will mean less art videos, which apparently a lot of you don't watch anyway, which I'm still dealing with. Anywho, that means I will only be posting every other week. So next week, you're going to get the doll dress tutorial that I promised in my Halloween video. And that goes into pretty good depth. I think it's a pretty good tutorial, but I'm biased because I made it and I worked really hard on it. But you'll be able to make dresses like this. Aren't they cute? It's a really blindingly simple pattern that is really versatile, and I'm working on a project that goes crazy where it's the same general idea as this, but it's completely different, and I'm hoping to get it done in time for when I want to release the video, but we'll see. I'm supposed to go on vacation between now and when I want to publish it, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, so there will be the dress video, and then I've got a Christmas doll that'll be ready for Christmas, and a few surprises after that, and dolls lined up for the coming year. So two videos a month is very feasible because that means I only have to make one other video. So you'll get more speed paints, which I know some of you don't watch, but that's okay. But yeah, that's the plan every other week. And if you want to see other stuff from me, just go on my Instagram, Storycraft Studio, or Sunset Lemonade for my fashion illustrations. And my Artful is Sunset Lemonade, which will hopefully get more. I will do more with once more people are on there. Right now, it's kind of, I have 3 followers, and it's rather disheartening. So if you're an Artful, please follow me. I'm lonely. And yeah, mahalo for watching. I will see you next week. Aloha!